Hey TCL crew, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to make a bomb breakfast with myself and my helper Caiden. Alright guys, I am starting with the fire on high so the pots can dry out quickly with the water before I put anything in there. I have my ingredients ready over here to go. I'm going to be making pancakes using Audra Mama's pancake mix. I only have a little bit of regular left, so I'm going to mix the regular and the whole wheat together. I have my banana because I love bananas in my pancakes. I have some vanilla extract and cinnamon. I love putting cinnamon in my pancakes. For my eggs, I have my black pepper and my pink Himalayan salt. 3 eggs for me to eat and 1 egg to go on the pancakes. I have my utensils that I'm going to need, and I eat turkey. I don't eat beef or pork, so I eat turkey sausage. And then I'm going to be using some butter, a little bit of olive oil, and some cheese today. Okay, so this is how we're looking. And anytime I cook, I love, and I always, and this is how I was taught from my mama, so thank you mom, to always start in a clean kitchen, no dishes in the sink, everything clean and wiped down, because it just makes me feel good and it makes me want to cook. So all right guys, so I have my fire on medium now. I like all my food to be done at the same time, so I am just cooking the sausage, which is the meat, first. I always cook my meat first since it takes the longest. I just cut it in half, butterfly cut like that. I normally use the Pam spray, but I ran out, so today we're using a little bit of olive oil in the pot so it won't stick. So just a little bit on the spoon. Put it on the pot. And then I'm going to use a little piece of napkin to just rub it in. My oil in my pot, and I'm just going to go ahead and place the sausage on. And unlike beef and pork, this doesn't create a whole bunch of extra oil. So while the meat is cooking, I'm going to prepare the pancake mix. And if you guys can see, I have both the wheat and the regular. So I'm going to mix it together. All right, y'all. So I got the cinnamon, just putting a little bit in there. Well, a little bit more than a little bit, but I do not use measurements. I do not use measuring cups. I put what I want in my food. Not like measuring anything for that matter, because I like to make it how I like to make it and put my own little twist on things. So I got my 1 egg in there, and then I am putting a couple of drops of vanilla extract, just a couple. Like you guys saw, banana. I love bananas in my pancakes. Mama gonna play with me. Why would I stop right now? I can't wait for you, no. Space right now. All right, yeah. So I forgot to get my almond milk out, and I forgot to get the water. Whenever I make my pancakes and like oatmeal or farina, I always use water and milk. I don't know why, it's just a thing that I do. You can use whatever you like. I use almond milk. This is a family house of almond milk, no whole milk. But you can use whatever you like to substitute. And like I said, I don't do measurements. I just put as much as I want until I reach my desired consistency. So I'm using milk and then some water. And then I am going to mix until my desired consistency is reached, y'all. I do have a whisk, but I feel like a spoon gets everything so much better. As you can see, it's still a little bit thick. So I'm gonna add some more milk. And some more water. And I have my little helper here who wants to help me mix this up, so. Yeah. All right, show them how you mix. Don't make a mess. Good mixing. Good job. That's my strong baby bear. Thank you. All right, let mommy mix the rest. Yes, let mommy mix the rest. All right, guys, so I have my desired consistency. I like my meat and my food extra well done. Some people call it burnt, but I call it good. So let's check how it's looking so far. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and flip it on the other side. And now I can go ahead and start putting my pancakes in the pot. Butter. I'm gonna try to fit 2 in here, but I don't put all of it to one side, but we're still gonna do 2. While that is cooking, I am going to go ahead and get these eggs together. Alright, how I crack my eggs, I just take it, crack it on the side of the bowl. You can see. Wait, and just let it open up. A little hard. Right, let me see. Wow. You guys can see, but you guys know the little white stuff that right there. Little white stuff that's in the egg. I always take that out. See? Alright, for my eggs, I'm using black pepper. Just a little bit because the pepper I have is like really strong, so just sprinkling a little. And some pink Himalayan salt. This grinder won't work for me. Now my little helper wants to help me mix my eggs. Alright, thank you, Papa Bear. Let me mommy mix. Just mix that all together. And heat for these eggs. And I added some more eggs because hubby wanted some eggs and sausage, so. Alright, now we're going to flip these pancakes over. Alright, y'all, let's see what we got. Right there. And this kitty. Right there. Alright, now I'm ready for my eggs. I set a little bit of olive oil. And some butter. Clay, you can't mix it. It's on the stove. You have to wait. Alright, eggs in the pot. I use 2 different pots because I like my eggs well done and dry. And hubby just likes his regular, so. Let it cook, mix. Tell me to relax and I'm stressing. Go your way, don't wanna wait for you. I try putting you first. Things getting worse around here. I said, okay, I'ma do what I want right here. That's what I heard out your mouth now. My eggs are done. As you can see, I like mine well done. Time for the cheese. I just like to use American Craft singles. You can use whatever cheese, not Kraft, American singles, whatever cheese you choose to use is on you. I just grew up with that type of cheese, so even though it may not be real cheese, it's okay. Once it starts bubbling a little bit, you can tell that it's getting done at the bottom. Alright, here's the finished product, y'all. Look at this bad boy. Now I am going to do a taste test, y'all. Look at that. Breaks apart easily, just how I like it. Remember, these are wheat pancakes with banana. Mmm. Tasty. Tasty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is one of my simple go-to breakfasts that I like to make. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see my next video. If you guys want to dress it up and make it fancy, you can put fruit on there. You can put strawberries, blueberries. I personally do not like fruit on top of my pancakes. I prefer them inside. So I do not put fruit on top of my pancakes. So this pancake will be for my son. But look at that, y'all. Look at that. Hit that subscribe button and comment down below what your favorite breakfast is. Peace out, TCL crew.